So we have a lot of images which are now tagged, and there are a couple of them which are not tagged as well. So we will try to create a smart album which will utilize the keywords feature. So for example, when you will click on it, so by going to file and then click on new smart album, then you will first of all have to set the album name. So here it can be, let's say, colors, because we had two keywords with the name of colors, so that will help us in filtering out these. So let's say we want to filter out the images by keyword, where the keyword is either red. So let's say if we just want to do the search for red, so click on OK now. So a new album is created, and this is unlike other albums where you have to manually drop the data. This one dynamically searches for images or videos basis the condition you had provided in the query. So in this case, the query was, if the keyword is red, then show the images. So here we can see that there are two images which had the keyword red in them. So now let's say we want to add to this only that include gray as well in the same query. So in this case, you can just click on right click and then click on edit smart album. When you will do that, then you will see this plus icon. So it shows you the original query, but now we have certain changes for our query, which is that keyword is now gray as well. So, and we want any of these conditions to match. So let's say the keyword can be red or it can be gray, but in case it is both, then you have to use all. But right now we are being liberal, we just want either red or gray. So when you click on it, you will see all the gray images as well as all the red images. And in case you go to the query and then you click on all, then let's see how many images will come up. So we will have 0 matches. Why? Because there is no photograph with both hashtags or with both keywords. So you go to the image and then you, let's say, add gray to it. Let's see what happens now. Now cross it and then go to colors again, but this time we are seeing one image. Why? Because it has both gray as well as red keyword or keywords. So basically it is satisfying the condition of your query, and this is very important, and it saves you a lot of time, because now you will be able to find all the images which have either of the hashtags or any of the hashtags, so or just one of the hashtags. It all depends on the query that you are creating. Now let's say if you want to find images, or let's say let's create a new smart album, but in this time we want to pick all images which has no keywords. So you go to keyword and then is not any. So if the images have no keywords associated with them, then you will do this. So there is no keyword, click on it and you will find all the images which have no keywords associated. And this is very important for you, because now you'll be able to know quickly which images need to be assigned a keyword, so that will enhance your workflow. So you just select the image which you want to add a keyword to, and then just, let's say, type gray over here, gray comma, and it will just add that keyword to that image. But now, as you can see, that image which to which we had added the keyword, it has disappeared. Why? Because this query only has images which has no keyword, and that is why the moment it gets added to the image, that image gets kind of removed from this query, but it appears over here because we had added gray in that. But why it is not appearing over here? Because we had changed our original query. So we would make it any, and now instead of 5 we have 6 images. Yeah, so this was the image and now we have it over here. So we learned three things. First of all, how to create a new smart album, then how to add various type of queries, how to find images with certain keywords, how to find images with the and or conditions. So let's say query 1, query 2, and in between them you are adding and or you are finding images with which have no keywords associated with them. All of that will enhance the way you use your Photos app. And hopefully, when you're working with thousands and tens of thousands of images, this will help you a lot. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more. And do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.